Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process on how to install, set up, and use your app MailerLite Action Automation for workflows. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, and you click on it. Then click on Install and click on Allow and Install. Once your app has been installed, refresh your tab and head down to the custom page of the app. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to the documentation. We have access to the Smart Key video that is going to guide you on how to get the necessary credentials of your app. We have another video to help you complete your app setup. The app has been connected, head to accounts, click on integration, then click on use, API use, and generate new token. Enter a token name, click on all API allows, toggle the terms, then create your token. Copy the token, head back to your account, click on start setup, and you paste. Then you click on complete setup, and your app will be successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket for our team and as well book call with our team. We have the change log where all the necessary updates and changes made on the app is going to pop up here. And to receive emails, you have to toggle the notification button on, insert your email, then click on the subscribe button. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available 24/7 for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.